Welcome to my channel. मैं हूँ आपका दीपंकर भाई. In this video, you will get NCERT line by line question with answer of chapter 1, class 11, the living world for the Neet exam. Now let's get started. First question: who was the father of the Darwin of the 20th century? In the cover page of your NCERT, you will get the answer. Ernst Mayr was the father of the Darwin of the 20th century. Next question: which are the twin characteristics of growth? Twin characteristics of growth are increase in mass and increase in number of individuals are twin characteristics of growth. Now move to the next. In which living organism growth by cell division occurs continuously throughout their lifespan? In plants. In plants, you will see growth by cell division occurs continuously throughout their lifespan. In which living organism growth is seen only up to a certain age? Animals. In animals, growth is seen only up to a certain age. Now move to the next. 5. In which living organism growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events? Yes. Higher animals and plants, growth and reproduction are mutually exclusive events. 6. Which are the non-defining characteristics of living organism? Very important. Non-defining as well as defined. Non-defining means इसमें exception है. Growth and reproduction are the non-defining characteristics of living organisms. Next, in which organism we observe budding? Budding occurs in yeast and hydra. Now move to the next. 8. In which organism through regeneration occurs? Through regeneration occurs in planaria. Very important. Planaria is also known as flatomes. Move to the next. Which organism multiply by fragmentation? Fragmentation is the type of asexual reproduction clearly written in your NCERT book. 3 examples: the fungi, the filamentous algae, and the protonema of mosses multiply by fragmentation. Now move to the next. 10. Reproduction is synonymous with growth is found in which organism? Where you will get reproduction is synonymous with growth? Bacteria, unicellular algae, or amoeba. Next, which organism do not reproduce? Clearly written in your NCERT book. 3 examples. One is mules, sterile worker bees, and infertile human couple do not reproduce. 12. Which organism exhibit metabolism? Metabolism exhibit all plants, animals, fungi, and microbes. Note it down. Microbes is also exhibit metabolism. Question may come: is microbes exhibit metabolism? True or false? Yes, true. Now to the next. Which reaction can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free system? Which reaction? Answer will be metabolic reactions. Metabolic reaction can be demonstrated outside the body in cell-free system. Next, very important. Which are the defining characteristics of living organism? Means इसमें कोई exception नहीं है. Answer will be metabolism, cellular organization, and consciousness. 3 are the defining characteristics of living organisms. Now to the next. 15. Which affects reproduction in seasonal breeders, both plants and animals? Yes, photoperiod. Photoperiod affects reproduction in seasonal breeders, both plants and animals. The number of species in the world. In your NCERT book, it is written between 1.7 to 1.8 million. So you should remember, because in NCERT book this is written. So you should remember between 1.7 to 1.8 million the number of species in the world. 17. What is nomenclature? Just it is the definition. It may not come in your NEET exam, but you should know. A particular organism is known by the same name all over the world. This is called nomenclature. Next you will find the binomial nomenclature. Just see. 18. For plants, scientific name provided by which organization? Scientific name provided by which organization for plants? International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. You should know the short form ICBN. You may question may comes, what is the full form of ICBN? You should know, International Code for Botanical Nomenclature. For animals, scientific name provided by which organization? International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. This organization gives scientific name for all animals. Next, 20. Binomial nomenclature was introduced by which scientist? Very, very important. Carolus Linnaeus. It is also known as father of taxonomy. Carolus Linnaeus. Now move to the next, 21. Binomial nomenclature consists of two words, and these are, yes, two words. First is genus and second is species. 22. Biological names are generally in which language? Latin language. It is the universal rules of biological nomenclature. From this para, this question arises. Generally in which language? Latin language. Now move to the next, 23. Yes, biological names are generally written in which language? Written in italics. And generally in Latin language, but written in italics. 22. The first word in a biological name starts with a capital letter or small letter. If you read the universal rules of nomenclature, here it is written that the first word in a biological name starts with a capital letter. That means genus is written as a capital letter and species is written in a small letter. Second, the second word in a biological name starts with a capital letter or small letter. The second word in a biological name starts with a small letter and first word is a capital letter. Mangifera indica lean, it indicates that it is came in your 2019 NEET exam. It indicates that this species was first described by Linnaeus. Here Lin means Linnaeus, Carolus Linnaeus. He is known as, he discovered this. Now 25. A taxon is, what is mean by taxon? A taxon is a taxonomic group of any ranking. 26. Which are the processes that are basic to taxonomy? 4. First is characterization, then is identification, then classification, then nomenclature are the processes that are basic to taxonomy. Just remember, sometimes all the points or all the important lines in NCERT book may not be memorized for the longer time, but when you make question answer format of that important lines of the NCERT book, this will be helpful for memorizing for the longer time. So whenever you revised any chapter, just watch my video. Within 20 to 30 minutes you will revise full chapter with conceptual or memorizing in terms of memorizing. 27. The word systematic is derived from which word? The word systematic is derived from Latin word, which means systematic arrangement of organisms. 28. Which takes into account evolutionary relationship between organisms. Yes, systematics takes into account evolutionary relationships between organisms. Now move to the next question, 29. Ascending order of taxonomic category. Ascending order of taxonomic category is, let's see, from species to kingdom. First species, then genus, then family, then order, then class, then phylum or division, and then kingdom. Just know, phylum is for animals and division is for plants. And also know the group of species is known as genus, a group of genus is known as family, a group of family is known as order, a group of order is known as class, and a group of class is known as phylum or division. 30. Which is known as the lowest unit of classification? Species. Species is known as the lowest unit of classification. 31. Human beings belongs to which species? Human beings belongs to sapiens. Human beings belongs to sapiens. Now move to the next question. 32. A group of related species. A group of related species is known as genus. Potato and brinjal belongs to which genus? Potato and brinjal belongs to genus name is Solanum. In Solanum, potato and brinjal belongs, and potato and brinjals are species. Genus Panthera includes which species? Genus Panthera, it includes animal species, and three species: lion, leopard, and tiger. Next question is cats. Cats is a species, animal species, belongs to which genus? Belongs to Felis. Just remember, cats belongs to Felis. Next 36. A group of related genera is known as, what is a group of related genus is known as family. Which unit of classification are characterized on the basis of both vegetative and reproductive feature of plant species? Which unit of classification? Family. Family is the unit of classification are characterized on the basis of both vegetative as well as reproductive feature of plant species. Now up to the next 38. Family Solanaceae includes which genus? You know that family includes genus, and family Solanaceae includes plants genus. Which genus? Solanum, Petunia, and Dothora. These three genus belongs to family Solanaceae. Next, family Felidae includes which genus? Family Felidae includes, family Felidae is for animals, and it includes two genus. One is Panthera and another is Felis. Panthera and Felis belongs to family Felidae. Remember all the lines because all the lines are completely from the NCERT extract. 40. Plant families Solanaceae and Convolvulcae are included in which order? These two are family, and these two family are included in the order. You know that group of family is known as order. So these two family included in order Polymonials. Polymonials, two family. One is Solanaceae and another is Convolvulcae. Next, the animal order Carnivora includes which family? Two family. One is Felidae and another is Canidae. These two family include in order Carnivora. Now move to the next question. 42. Which category includes related orders? Yes, a group of order is known as class. Now 43. Class Mammalia includes which orders? We know that class includes related orders. In class Mammalia includes which two orders? First order is Primata and second order is order Carnivora. These two orders included in class Mammalia. 44. In case of plant classes with a few similar characters are assigned to which higher category? You know that similar classes, group of classes is known as phylum or division, but phylum is for animals, but in here the question is for plants. So for plant it will be answer division. Next 45. From species to kingdom, the number of common characteristic goes on. From species to kingdom is the ascending order of taxonomical classification. You know, the number of common characteristic goes on decreasing whenever you go from species to kingdom. 46. Yes, this is the table in the NCERT book. Just learn because from this table many question arises. Like what is the family of man, what is the family of housefly. You should learn this table fully conceptually. Now move to the next. 47. Give example of taxonomical aids. Give some example of taxonomical aids. 4. Here five taxonomical aids are written in your NCERT book. Herbarium, botanical garden, museum, zoological park, and key. Next question. 48. Which taxonomical aids serve as quick referral system in taxonomical study? Herbarium. Herbarium serve as quick referral system in taxonomical studies. Now move to the 49. Which taxonomical aids have collections of living plants? Yes, in botanical garden you see living plants, and botanical garden is a taxonomical aids and it includes living plants for reference. 50. Half century. In botanical garden, plant is labeled by its botanical name or scientific name and also its family. 51. Indian Botanical Garden situated in. Where Indian Botanical Garden situated? Indian Botanical Garden situated in Howrah. National Botanical Research Institute situated in. National Botanical Research Institute situated in Lucknow, India. Now move to the 53. Which taxonomical aids have collections of preserved plants and animal specimens? Preserved, not living. Museum have collections of preserved plants and animal specimens. Next, 54. In museum, how insects are preserved? How insects are preserved in insect boxes, especially insect boxes, after first collecting, then killing, then pinning. Collecting, killing and pinning. Now move to the 55. Which taxonomical aids is used for identification of plants and animals based on contrasting character? I mean similarity and dissimilarity of the characteristics of plants and animals. In which taxonomical aid? Key is a taxonomical aid and it is used for identification of plants and animals based on contrasting character. 56. Each statement in the key is called. Per statement in the key is called lead. 57. Yes, fill in the blanks. Very important line of the Ncert book. Keys are generally dash in nature. Keys are generally analytical in nature. 58. Last portion of the living world chapter. Which are used for recording descriptions of plants and animals? For recording descriptions of plants and animals, which are used? 4. Flora, manuals, monograph and catalog. These 4 are used for recording descriptions of plants and animals. Now move to the 59. Which contain the actual account, the habitat and distribution of plants of a given area. Which contain flora. Flora contain actual account and the habitat and distribution of plants of a given area. 60. Which contain information on any one taxon. Any one taxon, whenever written monograph. Monograph contain information on any one taxon. Now move to the 61. Which provide the index to the plant species found in a particular area. In a particular area, the plant species found, the index given by manuals. Manuals given the index to the plant species found in a particular area. 62. Where wild animals are kept in protected environment. Yes, in zoological park you see wild animals are kept in protected environment. Portion is covered. Now please subscribe this channel for more video. I mean for class 11 and class 12, all the chapter of the biology you will get in this video in my channel also. Lastly, I will say that if this video is helpful for you, just subscribe my channel and like this video and share with your friends. Lastly, you will get 4 questions. Just answer these questions on comment box, whatever you learned from this video. First question is, binomial nomenclature system given by which scientist? Just write down on the comment box, like 1 and answer, give 2 and answer. 2. Cats includes in which family? Just write down. 3. Indian Botanical Garden situated in. Where Indian Botanical Garden situated? Just write down. And 4. Each statement in the key is called. Just write down the comment box. मैं विदा लेता हूँ आपसे इस वीडियो से. मिलता हूँ अगले वीडियो में. And I will upload the next video, the Plant Kingdom. Just subscribe my channel and within 2 or 3 days you will get the next video.